Good morning, YouTube. Yes, it's Friday, and yeah, yesterday was a video because there was absolutely nothing to do. Well, today I think there is something to do. Maxillaria variabilis. It's doing much of the same, so it's not very variable, but this is one of those orchids that has a very, very vague description. It's cool to warm growing. It lives on the ground, it lives in trees, it lives on rocks. Some grow on solitary trees in open plains. Others grow in montane forest up to 2 kilometers high. It can do good in the shade, it can do good in highlight, not sunlight by the way. That's the only thing they're all very, very sure about. It comes from Mexico down to Panama, which is formerly known as Colombia. Yes. Let's not go into that one. Yeah, it never seemed to be able to pass the Panama Canal, so I guess it didn't have the money for it. It flowers when it wants to, and that's about it. Yeah, it hasn't done so for me in 2 years. That's how long I have it. Well, it's obviously not doing anything in the pot except for growing, and well, that's pretty visible, I think. You can see here that the old growth is darker colored than the new growth. And as you can see, it's full of both. Problem with this one is, at least the problem I have with it, it's in a pot and it doesn't get enough water, not nearly enough. It's bare rooted, as you can see. This is a dead root clump, very dead. So I'm going to clean that. And knowing that this one hates disturbance, so I'm going to set it back. There is no other way. Oh, there's an enormous moss plug. I'm going to mount it. Why not? It's what I do, folks. It's what I do. And I had this mount in mind. It looks very small, and that's because it is. I'm gonna, yeah, when I'm done, it should look a little bit like this. Minus the enormous dead root clump. I wonder why I never looked into this one. Now I don't wonder. What a mess. I'm gonna do this really, really slow, so you can all get the most benefit out of this video. I'm gonna pause for longer times before I say something else. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to clean this up, and I'm not going to split it in any way because it is basically the only species orchid I have. Yeah. Coffee. Yes, coffee. No product placement, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. 5 minutes of pure nonsense, unadulterated nonsense. What I forgot to mention, we're already 30 minutes later, I had to buy tweezers because it has an enormous moss plug, and the scrolls say that it hates bad media, and that hasn't been done in, well, yeah, 2 years since I got it. And before that, it probably never had a repot, because the guy I got it from said it never flowered for him. And that's the reason why. Okay, back to business. Okay, that was a lot more severe than I thought. This is moss. And dead roots. This is everything. And that's what I'm left with. And yes, it's all dead. I can't cut off anymore because this is basically the base of the plant. So maybe a little bit, but yeah. You can see here some new stuff here and here. So that will pick up again. Yeah, I'm pretty sure of that. So this is the reason why it still hasn't done anything. It was way too acidic. I'm still going to mount it. Not sure how, but I think of a way. Yeah, damn. Well, damn. It needed to be done. I sent off some cuttings to other people, and it's a slow grower, but they seem to work. Yeah, let me clean up a little bit. Hold up. Okay, I got my starter kit ready. Now, let me see how this one will fit the board. Well, there's no, it's omnidirectional. Yes! Omnidirectional. At least it grows omnidirectional. It has to fit on this mount a certain way. This way, yes way. Okay, I'm going to adjust some things. I'm going to take off this nut and this one, and that will be covered up by leaves, so it won't be visible. I'm going to have to weave the wire in between all this stuff. Let's see how I'm going to do that. And then string it on the board, fill it up with moss, and yippee, it will grow. And yippee, it will grow. Yeah, I'm gonna make some noise and yippee. Hold up. I took off the notch, made some holes, also one for the hook, and now for the hard part. It fits snugly. Yeah, it fits, but First we need wire. And I'm going for the 1.25 millimeters. This is 115. So that's not as rigid. Let's hope my theory works. Yeah, it's no wonder this thing never did anything except for growing, and it got the water and nutrients from the, yeah, basically the small stuff, small roots that are way up. And luckily I dunked this one every time. It gets water all over. That's probably what saved it. Does we do it yay? Or does we do it yeah? No. We're gonna do it yay. And yeah, just about that. So the wire has to come through here. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Just stick it in a little lower. Yes, yes, here. Wait a minute. This will not give the desired results. Low, very, very low, and this is as low as I can go. Now, please work with me. Okay, the wire goes in, but it doesn't come out. What the hell are you? Yeah, me and my bright ideas, it has to go low. Really, really low. Please don't make me rip it apart. It's full of those annoying little pseudobulbs. Yes, it is. Okay. Uh-huh. I hope that's in frame, guys, because I'm not going to do this again. Yeah, come on, the hole is big enough. Damn it. Yeah. It's alright, it's alright. Okay, just for security reasons, I'm going to give it another wire. And I can make that disappear with some moss. Where's the big wire? Oh, here. Let me see. Through here. Yeah. Why, it's not long enough. What a surprise. Go away, you pesky bulb. There we go. Yeah, this is not one I would recommend building. It's a nightmare. That's secure enough. Get rid of this and this. Okay, now we're going to drape some moss around it. Yes, we do. And I'm not sure if I need a fishing line. And again, fresh moss from the boss, or the boss moss. I'm going to spread it around the base, like so. That's enough. I'm still going to water the entire plant, but roots that come from the base have something to wiggle down in. There we go. Now the fishing line I'm using is really thin, so it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. Oh, you might want to see this. Oh. That's enough. I'm hoping the other side will cooperate, and yes, it will cooperate. And this is the reason why long spread moss is great. You can drape it around it. There you go. Little nest of moss. Now please stay upright. No, that's not what I mean. There we go. No. There we go. So that's right. Oh yeah, fishing line. Fishing line, oh how I hate the fishing line. Yeah, dry my hands. Was that Variabilis? Yes, it was. Yeah, lots of it. Do we here still have lots of it? A little bit of blue. Yeah, this is something you're gonna have to figure out for yourself which not to use, which not to use. I can hardly see this wire myself, so it's a bit useless trying to get this on camera. There we go. Yeah. How? Well, I can put that on later. There we go. Yeah. And this side first. Now this side. Yeah, these aren't the easiest mounts to do, but I really love doing this. Doe nou even. Maar smoor ik niet. Nou. That should do it. Maxillaria, Variabilis, sat back a long time. But we know why it didn't flower, or the most likely cause. So let's hope we remedy that. The mount it's on is oak root, so we all know that's good root. Please, another one. We wist nog. Oh ja. Doe nog even hier. And a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue. There you go. And now we need a hook. Nice hook. Oh. And this needs a little bit stronger hook than cork bark, because this is heavy, same as the Cattleyas. Now if it falls off while I'm busy, I'm going to burn the room. Yes, I will. There it is. Maxillaria variabilis on the mount. Well, you have to look at it like this. Oh. And when I water it, I just spray it over, so it gets wet all around. Yeah, this is sturdy enough. Okay, that's it for the Friday video. Later. Well, that looks rather nice, I think. Yeah. It's super pretty. Okay, later.